weird stuff is going on. Just listen to it. Duh. Yeah, you better close that door, you idiot. Okay, that was weird.